Hi, I'm James Demates. I'm an attorney at the Mike Morse Law Firm. I've been an attorney for about 5 years now. I went to law school at the Michigan State University College of Law. Personal injury litigation was something I always wanted to do. It was my specialization in law school, just the draw of being able to help people through some of the most difficult times in their lives. So pretty much I landed at the Mike Morse Law Firm straight out of law school. It was my dream job, the first and hopefully last job I'll ever have as an attorney. I became an attorney to try to help people, and I think this is the kind of place where we're able to do that. You know, I think to myself, especially growing up, there's a lot of unfairness in the world. You see people get into bad situations and they just have to take it. This is one of the few realms, the few areas in the world where you can kind of give back and help people beat the unfairness, to take on the insurance companies and to make sure they receive, what they're owed and they get a fair shake. True, it's not an easy process. It takes time. It takes time to fight the insurance company, but we do it right, and we've had a lot of great results for a lot of great people. Well, I'm proud this year I just got married, my wife Carolyn, so that was the event of the year for me. Nothing more important, but I'm pretty quiet. I like to hunt, hunter by nature. Otherwise, a fairly uneventful life outside of work. Well, I was raised here, my family's from here. Generations and generations. I can't imagine living anywhere else. I love Michigan for the variety and the resiliency. You live in Arizona, you live in Florida, it's hot all year round. Michigan, you get everything and you have to deal with everything. And I think that makes some of the greatest, most understanding people in this country. It was actually a close call for me. I think I would have been an engineer, following my father's footsteps. He worked for the big three, designing automobiles. That's certainly a rewarding career that's he made a living on, and it filled his passions in life. And I think I could find myself very happy trying to design and create like he has. Know that I'm always there. Call me, text me, email me. Communication is the most important thing. Most times when you go through this process, it's your first time, you've never been through it before, you have no idea what to expect. And the way to solve all that is communicate. And so that's, if I could give one recommendation to folks, is always be calling, always be emailing. Make sure you understand what's going on, and make sure that if you don't understand something, make sure I take the time and explain it to you.